Okay, these are my portfolio website enhancements based on this feedback. Clarify what 200K means. And I want my free ebook social media course. These were from the course prior. I'm not going to explain these because they make perfect sense. Thank you for 200K. As a social media strategist, thank you for 200K acts as an intention grabber as well as a testimonial. 200K means 200K followers. Anyone who's thinking in terms of social media is already going to assume that. I want my free ebook. These buttons were not supposed to work. They are going to eventually work, and that's why they are there, and I'm not planning on changing it because no one visits this site and I can take it offline at any time. So this website literally serves as practice, and no one's going to see it until these buttons actually work, these testimonies are real, etc. So I'm not changing that. Now, this is what it looked like before. Now, when you think of neuromarketing and brain-based strategies, because we had to do this in media sociology, okay? The company was Viral Media, and thank you for 200K is an attention grabber. It stimulates positive emotion. Viral Media, 200K followers, happiness, celebration, freebies. All of these were different ways to basically bring in new customers by stimulating positive emotion. Authority, this would be an influencer saying thank you for 200K, so that would show authority. And then free ebook, scarcity, and then these buttons, they're not meant to work. But I want my free ebook or I don't want growth were interesting call to actions. That was the point. So instead of clarifying all of that, I changed it back to a portfolio site instead of a company website, which is how it was acting for the previous assignment. Leah Imler. I'm not changing the logo because I don't have time to make it right now. I took off the blog so it's not confusing. I'm not writing a fiction blog post right now. I'm a social media strategist. I am expert in personal branding. Yay, happiness. Here we go. These are also my branding colors. This is going to be a link that works, so I'm not changing that. And then I made this a little bit more organized. Some of this is stock material. Most of it is not. Most of it is material that I've created. For example, this right here, this is stock material, so I do need to change this. And these are not the best videos. I need to make new promotional videos and work on my editing skills and then replace these. These are all stock material, so these can be changed. And then testimonials. Aside from that, that's about it. It's as simple as can be. Home, projects, meet the expert, book services online.